Are you looking for the best natural male enhancement product? Clear your doubts today and invest in one of the best supplements in the market, the ExtenZe. The ExtenZe before and after results are incredible, and you can rest assured of better sex and an enlarged penis. Sexual enhancement is a topic that has been creating a lot of debates worldwide. Those who have used some of the available sex enhancement products feel that this is a great opportunity you should not let go. Some users wonder why someone would pass up a chance for enhanced sex life. If you have never come across or used ExtenZe before, it is an herbal dietary supplement widely considered one of the best natural male enhancement. It's known to provide users with a more rigid and bigger penis accompanied by sturdy and more frequent erections. You will significantly enjoy great sex experience thanks to increased sexual endurance and electrifying and intense orgasms. Every man wishes to give his woman or partner the most fulfilling sex life. For men who have always found it hard to please their women sexually, ExtenZe is the solution, and you will love the results. Don't stress, even if you have a small penis. This is the best solution to grow it bigger within a few months of use. Everything to know about ExtenZe. With the many struggles that come with relationships, you should not let the size of your penis drain your sex life. ExtenZe is a perfect solution that helps enhance your penis size and better your sex life. This product comes with outstanding qualities and features that no other product in the market can offer today. ExtenZe is quite effective and works by allowing more blood to rush to your penis. You will have a bigger and harder erection and have great time and moments in your bed. The unique herbal combination of ingredients gives this product an edge over other male enhancement products in the market. Each of the ingredients found in this product is selected as per its ability to guarantee sturdy erections and bigger penis. There is nothing harmful in this product, and it's safe if used as required by the manufacturer. The main ingredients in this male enhancement supplement include a combination of herbal products, amino acids, and different nutrients. These elements help improve blood flow to your penis and increase your libido. Some of the ingredients that guarantee the best ExtenZe before and after results include zinc, folate, damiana, ginger, pumpkin, tribulus terrestris, piper longum, Korean ginseng extract, ho shou wu extract, yohimbei extract, horny goat weed, boron, pregnenolone. Most of the ingredients found in ExtenZe are good for testosterone and help boost sperm quantity. Other ingredients help make other hormones that stoke your interest in sex. Low folate levels are linked to infertility, but folic acid found in this product will boost your energy levels upon use. Some ingredients in this product help stimulate blood flow to the genitalia and make your erogenous areas more sensitive. Others help fight erectile problems and improve sexual hormone production. ExtenZe is an all-natural product, and the ingredients used make it one of the effective sexual enhancement products you can purchase today. How to use ExtenZe. Key things to know. Don't have any uncertainties using ExtenZe. It's a unique product and you will, without a doubt, like the results. The best thing about this supplement is you should use it according to the instructions given in the user's manual. You will get all the crucial details in the manual, and you need to take your time and read every detail. ExtenZe pills are very easy to use and available in the form of tablets that you can carry around stress-free. You can spice up your sex life from anywhere and anytime. Never try and overuse this product. Consume ExtenZe every day with a glass of water. For the best results, maintain a healthy exercising and dieting routine. This product is made for men above 18 years, and you should take the right precautions for using these pills. Consume these pills according to the recommended dose only. Don't take alcoholic beverages if you want to see the best results. Always drink enough water to stay dehydrated and don't overuse the product. You will fall in love with the ExtenZe before and after results. Key benefits of ExtenZe. You should not have any uncertainties using ExtenZe as your first defense line against the lack of confidence during sex. You have the best solution to enlarge your small erect penis. This penis enhancement pills will change your sex life entirely and increase your penis size and sex drive. Don't just use this penis enhancement product because others are using it. There are notable benefits linked to using ExtenZe. Have a look. Affordable. ExtenZe is a budget-friendly sex enhancement product, and you will fancy using it frequently. Visit a reputed sex enhancement nutritional supplement products dealer or manufacturer near you or place an order online. You can order by phone and look at promotions that the dealers offer and save extra money. You can also order a 6-month supply or a 3-month supply at budget-friendly rates and improve your sex life stress-free. No side effects. Don't have any qualms using ExtenZe as it doesn't have any recorded side effects or related complications. You will not suffer from any side effects because it is developed with natural ingredients. However, don't ever overuse this penis enhancement product and you should consume it as recommended by the manufacturer. No prescription needed. You don't need any prescriptions to use ExtenZe. It's an all-natural product manufactured with exclusive ingredients and has been clinically approved for daily use. Maximum strength. If you have been struggling with the size of your penis and feel that you have not been satisfying your partner, this product guarantees maximum strength. Once you consume this pill, it will keep your penis spontaneous, bigger, firmer, longer, and enjoy more erections. You will rest assured of more enjoyable and long-lasting orgasms. No frequent doctor visits. ExtenZe comprises excellent ingredients that make it a standout product. It's easy to consume this product, and you don't have to make frequent visits to your physician or doctor. The product comes with a self-explanatory user manual that you should always read and learn more about how to use this product. Final thoughts. It's satisfying to wake up every morning knowing your partner or spouse is happy and still in love. Even if your sex life has not been that great, ExtenZe is an excellent solution to all your sex drive and erection problems. This male enhancement product will improve the size of your penis both in girth and length sizes. It's an effective product that guarantees immediate results if you use it properly as prescribed. You don't have to go through the pain of using stretchers, painful weights, gadgets and surgery to increase the size of your penis. Use this all-natural product known to work miracles and promote your sexual drive, performance, and increased erection size. A look at the ExtenZe before and after use pictures of your penis will clear all your doubts. You will not have any qualms recommending other men to this incredible product. For more information visit our site The Male Libido, link in the description.